Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So if you can get out to Walgreens, I know a lot of you work, if you can get out there right after your shift, or if you're on your way somewhere, right after dinner, whatever, right after a softball practice, get out to Walgreens either today, which is Friday the 6th, or Saturday the 7th. This specific L'Oreal collagen is on sale for $9.59. You either have the regular moisture filler or the one that's fragrance free. Find it in the regular fancier skincare aisle area right at the front of the store. The L'Oreal section, they should have both of these. Obviously scan the barcode to ensure that this gorgeous coupon is in fact attaching, which is an $8 off. I believe this popped up this morning, and this is on sale this week for $9.59. So after this $8 coupon, you're paying $1.59 for this skincare that's almost $13 at Walgreens on a non-sales week. Just to show you, I just threw this into my cart just to make sure that the math would reconcile. I actually can't do this deal till later on Friday, but I know a lot of you will be bebopping to the store. If you can get out and do the deal and let us know in the comments down below, that would be so helpful. Maybe we could start a chain. Say you're in Maine, right? Maine, tried the deal at 4 o'clock, it worked. Florida, 6 p.m. it worked, and so on and so forth, just to let other shoppers know. It isn't a glitch. It's just they gave us this really high value coupon, and this product that's $11.99. Pardon me, I said it was like $13 and some change. Any of this L'Oreal stuff is really expensive, and this one works really well, and you get almost 2 ounces of product. A lot of us are skincare girlies, so to pay $1.59, it's like 90% off. Go and make this deal happen if you love skincare, and I think most of us do. And before I take off into the big sunset, let's jump to a different store, which is Bath & Body Works. I think a lot of you know I've been couponing there even before I was extreme couponing. This is how long I've been obsessed with Bath & Body Works. The hand soaps, the lotions, the spray perfumes, in love with everything. At one time I had a giant collection. I've since done some stuff with it, but I love Bath & Body Works, and I think most of you do, especially the hand soaps. A lot of us really love them. So I have a date, which is the 16th, and that is a Monday, and this usually goes for 4 weeks, and this sale only happens twice a year, thus the semi-annual sale. I'm curious if you guys have been getting coupons in the app or mailers since April. So either the coupons in the app or home mailers, have you been receiving them? I think they want to phase out the home mailers, which makes perfect sense. Just leave the coupons in the app. But a lot of us who are big spenders at Bath & Body Works, since about April, we haven't received any coupons. And I'm wondering if some of the packaging, it must come from China. So they're trying to tighten their belts to save a bit of money with all these tariffs. I'm thinking it has to do with something like that, or some sort of the packaging. And that's how they're just like initially cutting costs without raising prices. It's one of many theories I've been hearing floating around, but I think it's rather mysterious that a lot of us that always got coupons every month like clockwork, we've just been immediately cut off. So if you are interested in the semi-annual sale, I will link the video right here. And if you've been receiving coupons, either home mailers or in the app, let me know in the comments down below. I obviously couldn't put it in this video, but I'm still curious, yes or no, have you been receiving it? Maybe I'm just not getting them anymore, but they certainly always send them out for the semi-annual sale. Okay, that's it for this video. Get to Walgreens. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.